Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So if you're wondering why this is here, I was about to start filming on a new mini album making this kit that I showed you in one of my previous videos. However, there was a knock at the door, so I'm going to move that aside and show you exactly what has arrived. I am absolutely super excited about this one. This is an order that I made from CRAFTELIER. I waited a couple of weeks for it to arrive and it's been a very impatient wait, I would say, that to say the least. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to open it with you guys. And if you're wondering about this, I have kind of like covered my address, but this is my new gadget. It blanks out addresses and I absolutely love this. This has been an absolute game changer. So let's open the box because I can't wait anymore. So it's a nice big heavy box and there's a lot of things in here that I'm going to be using for mini albums. So don't want to cut myself here or get my arm in the way. So if you're wondering about this, this was ordered from mainland Europe, from Spain. I'm in the UK, and if you're worried about custom charges, duty charges and that sort of thing, my order came to less than £135 and I paid VAT or tax as part of my order, so therefore there was no duties or custom fees applicable. So I will leave a link though on the government webpage if you are interested in finding out a bit more information about that, because nobody wants any sort of extra charges or surprise charges. Okay, so I love this. I have ordered from CRAFTELIER previously, and this was a number of years ago, so these are all of my goodies. Right, so there's my invoice. I'll move that out of the way. And they sent me a postcard last time as well. So the last time I had an order from them was from it was a We Are Memories Keepers punch board thing for the discs, and Okay, so I'm just going to start off by saying that this post or video is not sponsored at all. I paid for all of this myself, but with the previous CRAFTELIER order that I made the video for, this was many years ago, they sent me that free to demonstrate. But I will place that video down below, and none of these links here are going to be any sort of affiliate links or anything like that. Okay, let's delve in. So I really want to get back into my mini album making, like literally at the deep end. So I have ordered all the things that I have been ooming and ahhing over the last couple of years on the CRAFTELIER website and decided just to go straight for it. Okay, so let's start with these rings here. These are ring binder mechanisms. You get them in a pack of 2, and these were on a special offer, so go and check out what those special offers are. They always have something on, and basically you get the little screw things here as well, like the eyelet thingies. Sorry if that's really rattly. There we go. I am going to have to look up on how to do this. I do have a crocodile, but there we have those special things there. Alternatively, I guess you could glue it in, but it's going to look nicer using those. So I have that in pink and mint green. I absolutely love this teal colour. And again, I will tidy up as I go. So these are the ring binder mechanisms. I won't leave a link for everything individually. I will leave just the link to CRAFTELIER if you want to pop over there. Okay, where to now? Okay, we'll start with this one. Do this one again. Right, we're going to be sticking with the ring binder mechanisms because this feels like Christmas. Okay, so again, I've gone for the 2 same colours, and I'll be making my own ring binders covers to use these with. So again, we have, this is the 6 ring binder mechanism. I have the punch that does those 6 rings, so I'm super happy about that. Okay, so here we are. This is what I went there for. This is the disc planner punch. Now I have wanted this for like ages and ages. So I have got the We Are Memory Keepers one. However, I wanted to try this one as well. So let's open this up. Use my small scissors for this. Sorry if there's a bit of glare, and this packaging is very noisy too. Okay, so this does how many holes? Because they've just released another one of these that does a few more holes. There we go, that's not going to fit back in the box, but never mind. Okay, so this does 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think there's an extra large one that they've just released last week, and or maybe even 2 weeks ago, and that's going to do the more holes. I think it's 11. Don't quote me on that one. Okay, so let's grab a piece of paper or card. I'm just going to quickly show you what this does. Here we go. Pop that in, and this is going to make those holes there for these discs here, for that binding. So I am going to do tutorials for everything that I'm going to make from this. Okay, so I've got my discs there. I have ordered some more discs. So we have pink ones, we have, oh, that's come apart and it's opened up. Let's put that back together. We have some rose gold ones. These are metal, these are plastic. I think you can feel the weight here. Oh, I've got a lollipop. I'm going to enjoy that later. Heart-shaped lollipop. Okay, and I have some gold ones here and some pink ones. I can't remember if I got any others. I just went mad. I have actually placed another order last week, so that one should be with me in the next couple of days. Okay, so you're probably wondering what all these wires are. So these are the wires for the Weir Memory Keep. No, is it Weir Memory Keepers? It's for the Heidi Swap cinch. I think that's Weir Memory Keepers as well. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that one. I have the Heidi Swap one, and it comes in many colours, and they've just brought out the mini cinch, so I am sort of tempted about that as well. So I'm gonna give the cinch a good go, but I was waiting to get these wires in, and now I have got the binder tool as well, with just the plain coloured, like the standard, like black, white binding, but I wanted to go a bit more colourful, I guess. So this one is it going to tell me? This is the rose gold, and these are the 1-inch wires. I mostly went for 1 inches because I have actually used my other one, my binder tool, quite a lot, so I kind of know what size wires to go for. They did have other sizes as well, so these are all mostly the 1-inch ones. And I have here in the turquoise, we have here the fuchsia. So this is all going to match these as well. Everything has been colour coordinated. So I'm going to pop what I've looked at here. So we've done those 3. There's more things hiding. And this one is bronze. It says V bronze, so I'm thinking like vintage bronze. And here I have a baby blue. Is it baby blue? No, yes it is, blue, baby blue. So these are all the 1 inch. It's not 1 inch obviously that way. It's 1 inch once these have been closed. And I have quite a few ideas on what I'm going to make with these as well. Okay, so here we have some pocket pages. These are 6x8. I've worked with these before, and I've ordered these for a particular project as well. So I'm absolutely super excited now that I've got some really nice brand new craft goodies to play with, because it's really going to help me start making more of my videos again. And here I have some metal corners. This one again, it matches really nicely with the I think, yeah, turquoise they're calling it. So these are metal corners, and they're going to slip onto my I'm so excited, I'm forgetting words now. Grey board, my grey board covers. So I'm going to put on the top and bottom, I'm going to put 2, and then on the back at the top and bottom. So where the binding is, I'm not going to put it on those corners because the binding is going to get in the way. So I have 2 for the front, 2 for the back, and I have a more decorative one there. This one is vintage bronze. This one is the fuchsia. Oh no, bubblegum. I think those are the only ones I got. These are really inexpensive, by the way. And here, I have been wanting one of these for absolutely ages. Actually, both of these, actually. So these are Teflon bone folders. So let's unpack these. Okay, this definitely feels a lot different to the bone folders that I'm using right now. This is the one I use all of the time. This is a Stampin' Up one. And this one is the Teflon one. And as you can see, it has that slant there. So you can really get into it, you know, like that on your folds and corners. And apparently it doesn't leave marks like this one would do. Like this one would leave like a shiny area after you've done it if you do it too hard, whereas this one, I think it's a bit more forgiving, and it goes down to a point as well. So this is them side by side. I'm still going to use this one. I think this is definitely here to stay, but this is my new best buddy. And another bone folder that I have been after for quite a while is this square Teflon one. Now this one is just going to fit in the hand a little nicer than the longer bone folders. So as you can see, it has a slanted edge there. It's quite a bright day outside, so everything's super bright, and so basically it's for folding on your papers in that sort of position. So you can just grab it in your hand like that and just brush it across. Okay, I think that is everything that I have shown you. So I am now spoilt for choice on what to start with next, and I'm thinking these colours here, these colours really match what I'm about to work on, which is this set here. If you can see, these go really nicely, especially with the turquoise and with the fuchsia pink as well. So I have the entire collection of this. I have the papers, I have the accessories, not just the card making kit, I have the rest of it. So I'm thinking I can use this perfectly with the set there from the Violet Studios. So I'm now going to try and find homes for everything, because I am in the middle of organising and decluttering. And if you liked that white storage unit that I bought from Tesco from my craft haul video, I did buy one more, so I now have 3. So I am going to do a separate video on that because it's still empty. I've put it in place. It's still empty. I haven't put anything in it yet, and I'm thinking I'm going to either store my binding ones in there or dedicate the whole thing to my spare adhesives. I'm not sure yet, so I'm going to have a little think about that, and then I will film that video for you as well. So I just can't believe how many projects I have in here to do. This is going to keep me happy for months, I think. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me today. This order is from CRAFTELIER. I'll leave the link for this down below. I'm not affiliated with them, and this is not a sponsored video either. So thank you so much for joining me. Give me a thumbs up if you like this one, and I'll see you again soon.